Can this tank tablet survive real life? HOTWAV R10 Pro rugged tablet gets tested hard. Let's be honest, you're tired of fragile tech. One drop, splash, or gust of dust and boom, there goes your tablet, your data, your whole day. Whether you're deep in the wilderness, under a truck hood, or just juggling kids and coffee, most tablets crack under pressure, literally. And don't get us started on glitchy apps, laggy performance, or the battery that ghosts you mid-Zoom call. If you've ever felt stuck, frustrated, or betrayed by your portable tech when you needed it most, welcome to the club. And no, duct tape won't fix it this time. Now multiply the frustration by deadlines, field jobs, and unpredictable weather. Rain? Mud? Drops from your hip pocket? You start living in constant fear of breaking another overpriced premium tablet that wasn't made for real-world abuse. Maybe you've already lost hours of work, missed GPS waypoints on the trail, or watched your device die mid-sunset photo. That creeping feeling of burnout? It's not you, it's your gear. It's time to stop babying your tablet and start expecting it to keep up with you. Enter the HOTWAV R10 Pro rugged tablet, aka the beast of the backcountry. Certified IP68/IP69K waterproof, mil standard A10 drop tested, and built like it's ready for war zones, not just your backpack. With 20GB RAM, Android 14, and a 10,800 mAh battery, this thing doesn't flinch. Need GPS in the jungle? Face unlock with gloves on? Underwater photos on a mountain lake? Done. The HOTWAV R10 Pro doesn't care if you're gaming, working, or surviving, it performs. And yes, it can even power other devices like your own personal tech mule. Let's break it down. You've got a 10.1-inch HD Plus display, expandable storage up to 1TB, dual SIM 4G LTE, 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and GPS so accurate it could guide a lost duck home. Whether you're tracking storms, managing a construction site, or live streaming your hike, the HOTWAV R10 Pro simplifies everything. Better app handling, longer runtime, faster loading, zero lag. Plus, reverse charging via OTG means it can save your phone when it dies. Wanna see how it handles underwater filming? Stick around, we dunk it live. Don't wait for your current tablet to croak in a puddle. Thousands are already leveling up with HOTWAV, outdoor pros, mechanics, survivalists, digital nomads, even clumsy tech lovers, we see you. With limited stock, crazy value pricing, and 2-year warranty plus lifetime tech support, there's no safer bet in the rugged space. So smash that button. Grab your R10 Pro. Test it, toss it, push it, this tablet dares you to break it. Let's see what you're really made of, and if your tech can keep up.